Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can check the creation date of your boards in your monday.com workspace. So let us dive into this. Alright, so navigate to monday.com, select your workspace, and what you want to do next, guys, is click into your profile icon in the top right and navigate to administration here. Here, guys, what you want to do next is navigate to tidy up here to the left, and here you will see under the boards tab your account's data, for example, including boards you have created so far in your account, like that example board for instance here, or that form. You will see the last update date and also the creation date, and that's it. That's the creation date, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.